to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling machines to ever roll out of Maranello, the 2017 Ferrari 812 Superfast, finished in a jaw-dropping bright yellow that screams speed, passion, and pure Italian flair. The 812 Superfast isn't just a car, it's an experience, an automotive masterpiece built to deliver the rawest emotions every time you sit behind the wheel. This Ferrari was born to be the successor of the F12 Berlinetta, and Ferrari went all out to ensure it would not only carry on the legacy but raise the bar even higher. In this review, we'll take a deep look into the stunning exterior design, the driver-focused interior, the mind-blowing performance, and of course, the prices and market value of this legendary machine. Exterior. Let's start with what you see first, the design. And honestly, there are few cars in the world that command attention quite like the 812 Superfast in bright yellow. The name already tells you what Ferrari was aiming for, unmatched performance and striking looks. Ferrari's design team sculpted this car with aerodynamic precision, every curve and line not just there for beauty but for purpose. The aggressive front end has an imposing grille that channels air efficiently to the massive V12 engine and cooling systems. The hood is long and muscular, a nod to traditional Ferrari GT proportions, yet modernized with sculpted lines that emphasize its speed even when it's standing still. Along the sides, you'll notice the bold air intakes behind the front wheels, which help reduce drag and cool the brakes during high-speed runs. The sleek roofline flows effortlessly toward the rear, giving it a coupe profile that is as elegant as it is aggressive. And then there's the rear, wide, planted, and powerful. Quad taillights, an aerodynamic diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets create a look that perfectly balances Ferrari tradition with modern flair. Now, the bright yellow paintwork is what truly sets this particular model apart. It amplifies the curves, the sharp edges, and the exotic stance of the car. Paired with lightweight alloy wheels and Ferrari's iconic prancing horse badges, the exterior design of the 812 Superfast is nothing short of breathtaking. This is the kind of car that makes heads turn and cameras flash, no matter where you go. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize the 812 Superfast isn't just about raw power, it's about putting the driver at the center of everything. Ferrari's interiors are known for blending luxury with a race-ready vibe, and the 2017 model is no exception. The moment you open the door, you're greeted with a cockpit that feels purposeful, wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. In this bright yellow spec, the interior often comes with contrasting stitching that echoes the exterior color, making the cabin feel even more special. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with all the controls and displays angled towards you. The centerpiece is the signature Ferrari steering wheel, a flat-bottom design with integrated buttons and the famous Manettino dial, which allows you to switch between driving modes instantly. Engine start, indicators, traction control, it's all on the wheel, just like in a Formula One car. Behind it, a large tachometer dominates the instrument cluster, reminding you this car is built for high-revving thrills. The seats are slim but comfortable, hugging you tightly with bolstered sides designed to keep you secure during aggressive cornering. They're covered in supple leather that feels luxurious but built with a racing edge. Storage space is limited, but let's be honest, this isn't a car you buy to haul groceries. What you do get is Ferrari's obsession with detail. Every stitch, every material, every control is crafted to remind you that you're in something special. Tech-wise, the 812 Superfast blends old-school Ferrari purity with modern touches. You'll find dual displays for driver and passenger, premium sound systems, and navigation, but the focus is never on distracting you with gadgets. Instead, everything is designed to enhance the driving connection. This is a cockpit where luxury meets adrenaline. Performance. Now, this is where things get truly exhilarating. The 2017 Ferrari 812 Superfast is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, one of the most powerful engines Ferrari has ever put into a road car. It produces a staggering 789 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. Numbers like these ensure that the word superfast is not just marketing, it's reality. This engine screams all the way up to 8,900 RPM, delivering a spine-tingling soundtrack that only a Ferrari V12 can produce. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just about 2.8 seconds, and the top speed? An astonishing 211 miles per hour. It's one of the last pure front-engine, rear-wheel drive V12 Grand Tourers Ferrari has made, and it represents the pinnacle of naturally aspirated performance before the hybrid era started to take over. The power is sent through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing lightning-quick shifts that are smooth during cruising but razor-sharp when you push hard. Ferrari also introduced 4-wheel steering with the 812, making this large GT handle with agility that defies its size. It feels planted, confident, and razor-sharp through corners. Combine that with advanced aerodynamics, carbon ceramic brakes, and Ferrari's cutting-edge stability systems, and you've got a car that delivers both mind-bending performance and a surprisingly usable driving experience. But let's not forget the soul of this car, that V12 engine. Unlike turbocharged rivals, this naturally aspirated masterpiece rewards you with linear power delivery, instant throttle response, and a soundtrack that grows more intoxicating the higher you rev. It's an emotional experience that no spec sheet can fully capture. Driving the 812 Superfast isn't just about going fast, it's about feeling alive. Prices. When it first launched in 2017, the Ferrari 812 Superfast carried a starting price of around $335,000. Of course, as with any Ferrari, that was just the beginning. With customization options, carbon fiber upgrades, special interiors, and unique paint finishes like this bright yellow, many examples easily exceeded $400,000 when new. Today, the 812 Superfast has become a highly desirable modern classic. Depending on mileage, condition, and specifications, you'll find them on the market anywhere between $300,000 to $450,000. Low mileage, well-kept cars in rare colors or with special options can go even higher. And because Ferrari has transitioned towards hybridization in newer models, the naturally aspirated 812 holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. Its value is expected to remain strong, making it not only an exhilarating machine to own but also a solid investment in the long run. It's important to note that ownership costs are not for the faint-hearted. Maintenance, insurance, and upkeep are expensive, as you'd expect from a V12 Ferrari. But those who can afford it rarely complain, because what you get in return is an unmatched driving experience. For many, the sound of that V12 alone is worth every penny. So, to wrap it all up, the 2017 Ferrari 812 Superfast in bright yellow is a car that perfectly embodies the spirit of Ferrari. From its striking design to its meticulously crafted interior, from its screaming V12 to its commanding road presence, this is a machine that turns dreams into reality. It's raw, it's emotional, and it's unapologetically fast. For enthusiasts who crave the ultimate front-engine, rear-wheel drive Ferrari GT, the 812 Superfast remains one of the greatest choices out there. It blends everyday usability with race-bred technology, delivering a driving experience that feels pure and timeless. And in this bright yellow color, it's a rolling piece of art, one that ensures you'll never go unnoticed. That's it for today's review of the Ferrari 812 Superfast. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Ferrari's finest creations, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exotic car content, and let me know in the comments what car you'd like to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.